Hello, friends. Hi. I wanted to try to experiment with some art supplies today. And that's the reason why I'm holding the camera right now, because I'm going to have to position it in a moment. And I want you to be able to see what I'm doing at the table more than you can see my face, but I'll make sure you can see me too. Um, and what I want to do is see how we can use things like markers and crayons and watercolors to make different art. And I'm not going to make pictures. I'm just going to show you how I can use these items to make very interesting looks. So let's get started. Okay. All right. Okay, there we are. So right now I have crayons. So I have all different color crayons. Here we go. And I have here a turquoise color. It looks almost like blue, very light blue, turquoise. And I have purple, and I have orange. And those are the crayons I have. I also have markers. I have red and blue and purple. And I have watercolors. And here we have a lot of different colors. Here we have brown and purple and blue and green and yellow, orange, red, and black. So a lot of different colors there. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the crayons. And I'm just going to make some, I'm going to make some straight lines. Here I go, straight lines. Purple, orange, turquoise, purple, orange, turquoise. So there I have a lot of lines with the crayons that I used. Now I'm going to try with the markers. Okay, I'm going to do red, and I think I'll do squiggly lines here. Red, and then blue, and purple, and red, and blue, and purple. So there you can see the crayons are straight lines and the markers are squiggly lines. Now I think that maybe the markers might react to water. I'm not sure if the crayons will react to water, but I thought I would experiment. So here I have some water, and you can see there's water in there. You can see it moves around. You can kind of see through it. Here we have water. Now I have a paintbrush, and I'm going to put the water on my art, and I'm going to see if the crayons do anything and if the markers do anything. Let's try. Okay, here I go. Here's some water, and I'm going to go across it. Okay, and if we give it some time, here, let me do a little more water. And if we look closely, you can see, here, let me get it even closer. You can see that the markers, the colors start to run, but the crayons stay the same. There, the colors are starting to run, and that means that it gets blurry, it gets smudged. You can see the colors getting blurry, and then the crayons stay the same. With the markers, I will also try on, this is a paper napkin, and let me put some marker on the paper napkin, and then we'll get the napkin wet and see if we see it even more. So here I'm going to do triangles this time. There, it's a blue triangle, and then I'm going to do a purple triangle, and then I'm going to do a red triangle. So there you can see the triangles, and now I'm going to put some water on them, and let's see what happens. Here we go, some water. Okay. And let's see. Let me try the purple one. I'm going to try the purple one. Here we go. And you can see how much the water spreads on the paper napkin, and the colors move around, and the colors get blurry. The paper napkin is absorbing the water, which is why we use napkins, to help pick up liquid. And now the colors are getting blurry. Let's see if I can do one more. I'm going to try, here I have another paper napkin. I'm going to try to do a swirl this time. I will get the blue, and I will go and make a spiral, and then let me take the red, and I'll make a spiral on the napkin next to the blue. So there we have two spirals. And let me get this nice and wet and see if I can show you. Here I go. I'm going to show you. Look at how it spreads out. Look, the water moves around and makes the color spread out. And you can do this at home as long as whoever is watching you says that it's okay to use the napkins. Or you could use paper towels. And you can draw with markers and then use some water, and you can make the colors spread out. Look at how those colors spread out. Okay, now, oh, definitely be careful. Look, the colors went there now, onto my paper. Definitely be careful. Okay, now let's do one more. This time I have another piece of paper, and we are going to use watercolors. Okay, here I go. I already have some water, and let's see. I will use, this time I'll use the color green. Use the color green. Now take some watercolor and let's see what happens. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? See what happens. You can see the green. It's not as bright as the marker, but with watercolors you can get the color green. Look at that. Should I try it on the paper napkin? I have another paper napkin left. Let's see if the watercolor spreads out on the paper napkin like the marker did. Here I go. Okay, I'm going to take more green. All right, and here we'll try it on the paper napkin. Here I go. Oh, it looks brighter on the paper napkin. And that's what watercolor would look like on the napkin. So all of these do look different. The watercolor, the crayons, the markers, on paper, on napkins, they all look different. This was a really fun project, and I'm glad you helped me and we did it together. Definitely try it at home if you can. I had a lot of fun, and I had a lot of fun being with you today. Thank you, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye.